This is our roll-forming machine for truck carriage profiles. The whole frozen truck carriage need totally 10 production lines for 10 different profiles, such as top beam, side beam, door beam, side wall, decking floor, roof. This project is specially designed for the world-famous big automobile company Fukuda. The production lines start from the uncoiler for the metal coils. Electrical control cabinet adopts Siemens PLC control and touchscreen. Servo feeding system with high-quality rollers. Our rollers are completely quenched and chromed. Equality with America D2 and D3 material to assure the beautiful forming on finished profile. Special design of cutting blade assure no deformation on the cutting edge. Our machines are high reputed among the big automobile factories. Depend on our high precision, beautiful outlook of the machine. High quality control and stable fast performance. It realized the high efficiency production and strength of the auto parts. Welcome to contact us for special proposal for your own cars and trucks design.